Jim Mongiardo. I'm the plant manager at Tremco Ashland. Been here about 3 years. When I first got here, we were in the process of starting to expand and grow and add a new product line, and we needed some people. So we direct hired. We also reached out to the temporary agencies and contract agencies in town, and we found that we got some people. A lot of them weren't familiar with factory work, and our equipment's a little different than a lot of places, so they weren't really equipped to do what we needed, and didn't learn very quickly in some cases, and in too many cases didn't stay and or couldn't do the job. So we weren't able to fill our staff needs, and it's been really a 3-year process because we've continued to grow. We actually are almost double our manpower since I got here. We found reaching out to Transformation Network that we were able to set up some what they call a practice preview, and we actually gave them some equipment, we gave them some parts that we make, we gave them measuring devices, and they toured our plant, they saw what we did, and they built that into this practice preview. So they actually screen on several levels, just mechanical aptitude and some general things, but also with our very specific equipment and techniques and methods, and to see if a person could measure, look at a blueprint, could spin a table and coil some gasket. Seems like an easy task, but I have trouble with it, so it's not an easy thing to do. So what we found in that 2 years since we really reached out to them is that our retention of people is much higher than it was before. People are much more able to learn the job quickly. They can step in and from day one. In a lot of cases in the past, it was weeks before folks could actually do anything around the equipment, and some folks just didn't have the knack. Well, now we screen those folks out. We're retaining about 40% that first year, and certainly through the Transformation Network specifically, we've retained closer to 80% of the folks that we bring on. So it's been a very successful program. We're continuing to grow, so we expect to continue to use Dan and the services there, and it's been a big help for us.